Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go! In this video, you will hear clear examples of the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or at this moment. Listen carefully to each sentence and focus on the structure and the verb ending in ing. Positive sentences. These sentences describe actions that are happening right now. I'm sitting at my desk and learning English with this lesson right now. Sarah is watching an English video on her laptop in the living room. Michael is writing a short message in his notebook during the class. The teacher is explaining the grammar rule very clearly to the students. Anna is listening carefully while the narrator is speaking slowly. David is drinking a cup of coffee while studying English at home. The students are practicing new sentences together in the classroom. Emma is reading an English book and learning new words from it. John is walking to work and listening to an English podcast. The rain is falling softly while people are walking in the street. Negative sentences. These sentences show actions that are not happening right now. I am not watching television because I am studying English right now. Sarah is not using her phone while she is learning grammar. Michael is not playing games because he is focusing on the lesson. The teacher is not speaking too fast so beginners can understand easily. Anna is not feeling confused because the explanation is very clear. David is not rushing because he is taking his time to learn. The students are not talking loudly while the lesson is playing. Emma is not skipping words because she is reading carefully. John is not driving because he is walking to work today. The weather is not changing quickly while the sun is shining. Questions. These sentences ask about actions happening right now. Are you learning English with this lesson right now? Is Sarah watching the English video on her laptop at home? Is Michael writing notes during the grammar class? Why is the teacher explaining the lessons so slowly? What are the students practicing in the classroom right now? Where is Emma reading her English book at the moment? Who is listening carefully to the narrator? Why are people walking in the street while it is raining? Is John listening to an English podcast on his way to work? What is happening around you right now? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.